it's Maria with the Greensboro Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make reading rocks. And these are painted rocks with some of my favorite quotes from books. If you are not sure which favorite quote is, the library has these awesome books full of quotes, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. The first thing you need to do is find a rock. You can go on a nature walk and find rocks. You can order them. And I've actually heard that you can actually make your own rocks if you wanted to do some research on that. But you need a rock. And you want to clean it really well, warm water and soap, scrub it, dry it on a paper towel, and let it dry completely, a couple hours, maybe overnight, before you start anything. And then you want to do a base coat. You can do a base coat with acrylic paint, or you can use spray paint if you want to go quicker, or you could even do a plain rock with no base coat. It's up to you. After you base coat your rock and that dries, then the fun part starts. You can design, you can just freehand draw, you can do stencils. I stenciled the birds on this one because I'm not much of a drawing artist. Once you decide on your quote and the materials you'd like to use to decorate your rock, one of the most important things to do is to make sure that your quote is going to fit on the rock. You want to see where you're going to put your art and where you're going to put your quote. And you don't even have to draw a picture. You can just write the quote out if you want to. But if you want to put more elements on, you just want to have an idea of where you're going to arrange them before you start. Once you're finished, you want to seal these with a clear acrylic sealer. Mod Podge is just fine. There's also spray acrylic sealers that you can use. And then you can put them around for other people to find if you're feeling generous, or you can just display them around your house. Thank you so much for joining me today with this craft activity brought to you by the Greensboro Public Library. Have a good one and keep crafting.